Hello everyone, this is Priyabrat from Kolkata, West Bengal. Today I am going to share about my incredible journey with Bosch Bridge program. Being a development professional, whenever we talk about our developing India, especially from the socio-economic perspective, then there are some most common elements and social illness which always comes in front. You can say, for example, the poverty, the hunger, the poor quality of living standard, the poor affordability of educational and health facilities and all. And if you align all these elements into one scale, then you can find that there is only one root cause, one key factor, which is the illness of unemployment. And even with the vast availability of employment opportunities in today's world in various sectors, employment sectors, you can find that the Indian youths are unable to access those opportunities only because of some lackages in their basic employability skills. So how can we deal with this? So this is only possible through upgrading the required skill and bridging those lacks thoroughly. Since the time I have joined Bosch Bridge team, it's actually offered me a large scale platform where we are working together to create employment opportunities for those unskilled youth, and which we are making possible through turning those unskilled youth into the skilled youth. And today I am very glad to say, with the help of Bosch Bridge program, I am working towards eliminating youth unemployment in all over my state, West Bengal. Bridge program is a flagship initiative by Bosch India Social Engagement, which signifies its name by itself. It's bridging the gap between the unemployed youth and the employment. It is bridging the gap between an unskilled youth and an expert one. And not only limited to that, it is actually bridging the gap towards achieving a state of self-reliant India. And today I am very happy to express that every day I am reaching the most energetic population of India through Bridge program, and I am happy to redirect them into a constructive pathway where they are becoming self-sufficient to earn their livelihood by their own. Here, the most satisfactory part for me is that when at the end of the day my cell phone rings up and a voice from another side just comes and says, "Thank you sir, I got the job, I will be on work from tomorrow." Really it creates a great pleasure and motivation to my work, and really I feel that time that all of my potentials are being used and being contributed to changing someone's life, the quality of someone's standard of living. For the future journey, I would like to convey my best wishes to all my colleagues who are working together in this incredible journey, to all our motivated trainers who are every day touching the life of youths, being motivated by themselves, and especially I will be thankful to all our potential partners who are joining hands with us day by day to create a self-reliant India. Thank you all.